Judge loses patience with third continuance in messy estate battle between widow and secret children.
Just wasn't possible. So we do need to proceed with the hearing, but I need the discovery responses. So that's why we're asking for a continuance. And we're conferring as to the date in which they will provide the responses and submit a Rule 11 agreement. There was just some issues that I was working with him because I'd requested personal tax returns, but I think we're going to, what makes this case complex? The decedent died without a will. He had a surviving spouse and children from his marriage. He also had children from another relationship, and my client represents her minor child, one of them, Alexis, I think. And then the two other children are now adults, Eliana and Eli. Eli just turned 18 in the estate. And there's a dispute amongst my client and Mr. Romero's client, the surviving spouse, as to whether or not the community property is part of the estate. And so for my client and I, and we believe under the law that anything accumulated during the marriage is community property of the decedent. He died intestate. So that involves a lot of property, corporate interests, real property.
All right, so this case is now hereby certified as complex. Those orders are due to the court.
Submission.
So let me give you all some time to talk for a few minutes just to put any other definitive and specific agreements on the record. For example, the specific documents or information that will be exchanged and by what date certain. That way it's enforceable.
There were 3 sets of discovery: second request for production, second written interrogatories, and request for disclosures. Those are the 3 information. I can tell the only other problem I know, Mr. Romero told me that his client was going to have some heartburn with regard to some personal income tax returns. I had told Mr. Romero that we could enter into a confidentiality agreement to where it's for attorney's eyes only. So I will not be giving that to my client. I may